Dialogue. This dialogue is between Daniel, a recent immigrant, and Laura, a legal aid representative. Daniel is seeking advice after an incident involving the police. The dialogue begins now.
Good morning, Daniel. I understand you need some assistance with a legal matter. Could you explain what happened?
Magandang umaga, Laura. Oo, nagkaroon ako ng problema sa pulis. Inaresto nila ako dahil sa isang hindi pagkakaintindihan at kailangan ko ng tulong.
I see. Could you tell me more about the incident and what led to your arrest?
Naglalakad ako sa parke nang may marinig akong sumisigaw. Lumapit ako para tingnan kung kailangan nila ng tulong, pero dumating ang pulis at inaresto ako ng walang paliwanag.
That must have been very unexpected. Did the officers say why they were arresting you?
Sinabi nila na may nagturo sa akin, pero napakagulo ng sitwasyon. Sa tingin ko gusto lang nilang may tanungin. Wala akong ginawang masama.
Hey, if you are enjoying this content and would like to see more and support my channel, please hit the subscribe button.
Understood. In situations like this, the police may act quickly as part of an investigation. Were you given a chance to explain your side?
Hindi, dinala nila ako sa istasyon at sinabi na manahimik na lang ako. Gusto kong linawin ang hindi pagkakaintindihan na ito at alamin kung maaari akong magreklamo.
Yes, you have the right to file a complaint if you believe the arrest was unfair. We can argue your case and request any available evidence, like security footage, to support your claim.
Makakatulong iyon ng malaki. Gusto kong siguraduhin na hindi ito makakaapekto sa akin sa hinaharap.
Absolutely. We'll work to resolve this and ensure your record remains clear. I'll contact the officer in charge of your case to review their investigation notes.
Salamat, Laura. Nakakagaan ng loob na may kumakampi sa akin.
You're welcome, Daniel. I'll keep you updated as we proceed with this case.